Sometimes it seems God is impossibly slow. You're waiting for him to answer your prayer, to fulfill that promise. But it feels like he's painfully rubber band stretching, nails scraping on the chalkboard, agonisingly slow. In waiting for God, there are many others who can empathise with us. Abraham, who waited 20 years through plaguing doubts for a natural-born son. Joseph, who rode a roller coaster journey of contradictions for over 15 years before his leadership promotion. And of course, the Old Testament prophets, who waited centuries for their Messiah to come. Christmas, the time when promises were fulfilled, took a lot longer than expected. And when it finally arrived, it looked a lot different than imagined. The truth that often we don't understand is that in waiting for our Christmases, God is doing so much more than wrapping his gifts with a silver bow. He is hard at work in preparation, preparing his people, preparing the circumstances. There's a lot more involved than we can possibly conceive. It took a long time for Christmas to come, but it did come. And when it did, God's gift brought greater joy than anyone could have dreamed. Waiting for God will always be worth it. You're listening to Tanya Harris of GodConversations.com.